Okay guys, so can you see me? Let me know if you can see me. This is going to be very important for all of us. So I think it's very important that you attend today. Let me know in the chat section if you see me. You know, this is Easter holiday and weekend. I just need some family commitment, so I need to start earlier. Yes, Pawan, I can see you. Okay, great. So yes, CryptoXC, great. Thank you for joining. Let's see who else. So I started a bit early, I know. So hopefully all of you will be in time. So this is very going to be very important, because from next week we'll change a lot of things in our trading to make all of you profitable, because there are some desynchronization happening due to different location, different timing. So I need to know you better, some information that I need. Okay, no problem. Watch on Samsung, no problem. Great. First, see today's agenda, very important. That first thing I need to know about the trade signal sending time. Now, so far what I was sending is, let's say I got a trade on Asian session, I'm sending it to you. I got a trade on maybe at the end of the Asian session, good trade, I'm sending it to you. I got a trade on London session, I'm sending it to you. But I want to know, all of you, so which time is more suitable, so that I will ignore other timing trade, so that all of you get the trade. Because what I realize is that, say I send a trade on Asian session, some of you got, some of you missed. Next time it works like a FOMO, and next time some of you are thinking, okay, I missed the trade and next time I need to take a big risk, so it doesn't feel good. I know it's same to me. So that's why I wanna know which timing all of you are really suitable, and that timing I will consider only sending you trade. Either if I get trade in other timing, I will not send it to you. So let me think. Let's say, what about the London session and New York session? Let's say assume that I will not send any trade before London session and New York session, and I will send only these two sessions. What do you think? Let me know in the chat section if all of you are able to take the trade signal if I only send in the New York session and London session. If I don't send trade in Asian session, is it good for you? I know that there is time gap. I'm talking, it will take some time for you to reach to you, but let me know in the chat section. All of you write down, yes, London session, New York session is okay for us. Then I will not send out of this hour any timing. This is one thing you need to write. Second thing, can you please all of you write your just honestly account sizes, so that I know what to expect from you. If you don't mind, if you can write everyone's account size. Okay, very good. Write down everyone please, so that I know. Okay, very good. So next thing, please write down your account size. Second thing, please write down your goal, like why you are trading, like what's your goal. You are trading just for fun, or you are trading serious that you need to earn money, or you are trading for learning. Can you please write down quickly your goal? Third thing is, do you know lot size calculation? Can you make lot size calculation in less than a minute? Write down that yes I can, or yes no I can't. Let's say if I give you a trade signal, how long it will take you to put inside your with proper risk management, proper lot size. Because I need to know is either I will send pending order all the time, or I should send market order. So this is the thing. Just I think 2 minutes will be. Let's finish up to this, then we will go next. So Pawin says I can see. Okay, London session, okay, all session. Asian session, I am sleeping. Okay, very good. Okay, you are sleeping on Asian session. Most people prefer London session. London. Okay, so far I have known that most of you prefer, okay, most of you prefer trading London session. So one thing finalize. Next time I will write here, from next week onwards, I will only trade signal in London and New York. Okay, so that you miss trade. Okay, good, very good. We have finalize one thing. So expect only London and New York session. Okay, especially London session and some of the New York session. Okay, write down your account size if you don't mind. It's really helpful for me to understand what your achievement, what you want to do. Goal quickly, why you are trading. Risk tolerance, forget about it. Risk management, write down if you can calculate the lot sizes in less than a minute. If you can't, let me know, then I'll look at it. So Asian session, I'm saying, okay, London session, trading to learn to make money. Okay, NY and London session is cool. Okay, profession, okay, Shady, Shadi Nazir, okay, all session. Okay, so I got about the session, I'm clear. Okay, I'm clear about session. Pending order is better for me. I'm getting FOMO with market order and usually price go up after. Okay, that's a good point. So one of you voice box said that pending order is better. Now everyone comment about it. Do you feel like difficulty in market order, or it's better for you if I send you all the trade as a pending order, so that you have some time to calculate the lot size, calculate the risk size? I can do that. Let me know. This is the next topic. Let me know. Good afternoon, sir. Okay, trader Buma. Sorry, I started a bit earlier because I had a family commitment. So okay, so we decided to Buma join later. Let me know. We decided to send trade signal only on London session and New York session, no other session. Secondly, trading 5 to 10 lot size. Mr. Dollar, trading 5 to 10 lot size. What do you mean by this? Trading 5 to 10 lot size. Clarify, please. Yeah, pending order is best. Okay. I got some question. $1.5 only, cannot calculate lot. Okay. So Tohukuzami Malwe said that he cannot calculate the lot size. Okay, I will look into it. My account size is 4,200, but risk 100 to 200 per USD. Okay, very good. Mr. Dalo, 5 to 10 lot size. 5 to 10 lot size. It's a big lot size. So what's your account size, Mr. Dalo? Let me know. Crypto XC pending order and conditions to continue or cancel the order. Okay, very good, Crypto XC. Good point. I prefer you send wherever the trade are set and any session is okay. Okay, 1,000 accounts as pending order is better, but send trade wherever they are. Okay, pending order is better, so we can have time to calculate the lot size. Okay, very good. That's, I see that. What is you trade without stop loss? What is you will trade with? No, never trade without stop loss. Okay, never ever trade without stop loss. Can I calculate the lot size faster if you put number of pips? Okay, very good. For now I will put number of pips. Okay, account size 50,000, 5,000, but only risk 1,000. Always 0.0. Okay, this is another thing. Look, voice boy, see the screen. Account size is 5,000, but I only risking 1,000. I always buy 0.01. I cannot calculate risk management under 1 minute. Okay, very good. See, don't do trade only buying 0.01 lot. That's another mistake. Okay, never do that. You need to do it exactly how much lot you need to buy. It could be 0.1 lot, it could be 0.5 lot, it could be 1 lot, it could be 0.01 lot, but the risk amount of money will be always same. That is the key point. Okay, so I will come back to it. Now first we have finalized. So what I have finalized, I will share this sheet to you so that you have that. So I will share this sheet to you. we finalize that trade will be on New York or London. So second thing, account size, okay, it's individual. Okay, now risk management, okay, it's very important. Now to calculate the lot size, go to my FX book website, okay, and you see that in my Telegram there is a pin video in the Telegram channel, both VIP as well as in the free Telegram channel. It's a 5-minute 10 minutes video. Watch that, how to calculate lot size. It's very important. If you do like 0.01 lot or 0.1 lot without, yeah, it will never make you profitable. Second thing, all trade from now I will send as pending order, okay, all trades will be sent as pending order, okay, so that you have some time to calculate lot size. And I will provide how many pip stop loss also. I will provide, okay, how many pip SL, so that you can do it quickly. Now let me give you an example how I will send the trade signal. See, like this. Let's say buy, okay, buy limit as an example, buy limit at, let's say 1.3758, okay, buy limit, let's say euro dollar, okay, euro USD as an example at this, okay, buy limit. That means that you will put buy limit in this, yeah, and then I will give you a sell at, let's say 1.3152 as an example, TP, okay, at, let's say 1.25 something, and I will give you bracket, in the bracket SL pip, okay, let's say 40 pip. All right, so you got this signal, right? Now what you will do, buy limit, this one, you got this signal. The first thing you will do, as soon as you see this buy limit, don't make mistake in buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. You have to know. Who don't know buy limit, sell stop, buy stop, let me know in the comment section. I will teach you now. First you need to know how to place this trade in your account, okay, so let me know who don't know buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, let me know. So once you got this trade, you know, trade this, you got this signal, first thing you will do, go to this website as I showed you, go to the website my FX book, find out, okay, how much lot size. Let's say you need to buy, let's say you got this signal, let me show you, you got this signal. Now you have a stop loss pip 40 pip, it's a buy limit order, right? So go to this website, let me show you. So go to this website called my FX book. Before also I showed you it, apps also available, mobile apps also available. If you are doing on MetaTrader 4, if you have enough, like if you have a risk management tool, that's better, otherwise it's free. So let's say euro USD account currency, this account size, if your account size is 2000, say 2000, and then risk ratio, so how much risk ratio, let's say you want to risk 1% or 2%, stop loss pip, I gave you stop loss pip here, how much, 40 pip, okay, 40 pip. So this video I will share later. If you miss anything, you can watch that. 40 pip, calculate. Now you calculated 0.1 lot, right? So that means you will place a buy limit order in your account, buy limit order 0.1 lot, and you will put this value, okay, this is the entry price, this is the stop loss price, and this is the take profit price, okay. So you will be placing this pending order, and you will be waiting until I tell you, let's say I gave you this pending order and even 24 hour I didn't say anything, that means the pending order is active, okay. That means you will be leaving the pending order, don't close it. After 2 days you still see that I didn't say anything, that means that the pending order will be there. Sometime in daily chart, weekly chart, it takes time to go the price there. So if you say that, see that 2 days I didn't say anything, once I send you a buy limit, a pending order, I know that, because in my trading account also I place the same order, okay. So what will happen to me, what will same thing happen to you. If I close the pending order, I will must advise you to close the pending order and I will do all the update only in London and Asian session, so that you don't have to look at the Telegram channel 24 hour. You got it? So this is very, very important. That means that once I give you a trade signal, until I tell you to cancel it, to close it, keep it on, either hit, doesn't hit. Very important, so that we can stay in the same page, everyone become profitable. And even let's say a trade I gave you hit the pending order and then went to profit, went to loss, went to profit, fluctuating, don't do anything until I tell you to do something. In most cases, once we take the trade, we will run it until we hit profit target or a stop loss. In very emergency situation, if I see that the market is highly volatile because of some unexpected news release, then I will let you know to close the pending order or close the trade with whatever profit you have. That's it. Or in the weekend, if I see that we should close the trade, I'll tell you to close the trade. Otherwise, keep running. Make sure that you are not taking a big risk. This is very, very, very important. So everyone is with me so far. Let me know everyone is with me. Mixchi, very good. Everyone is with me. Let me see if everyone is here. Okay, so most of you are here. Okay, very good. So Pauline, sounds fair to reduce trade FOMO. Yes. 200. Okay, so leverage is always if you manage risk, it will not be high leverage. Okay, 1 to 2% doesn't, it will never be high leverage. Your TP is lower in your example. Okay, I didn't even think of this number. Don't worry about these numbers. I even didn't think of these numbers. It's just a random number came to my mind. You'll never be able to match it anywhere. Okay, don't think about this number. It's just to give you an example. Okay, I even didn't think about these numbers. So taking 5 lot per trade. Mr. Dalu, what's your account size that you take 5 lot per trade? You have to have account size of more than 100K if you take a 5 lot per trade. NB, I trade on additional income. Okay, so I see that everyone has a very good goal. Which leverage is good for trade? Leverage always low. Okay, no more than 1 to 20. Powin, yes. Okay, so hopefully so far you are with me. Everyone is getting me. Okay, so individual psychology experience. Okay, can you please write down quickly how much experience you have so far in trading? Can you write down? And can we test this week some scalping signal on 1 minute or 5 minutes? Mixture scalping I can test, but I saw that the reason today I called for this specially is because I want to send only pending order. I understand that everyone is not ready for a scalping. Okay, so scalping takes a lot of emotional 3 years. Boom, yeah, very good mixture. 1 year. Scalping take a lot of emotional toll, so everyone is not ready for it. 14 months. Okay, I saw that many of you trading for Vumia, very long time, but very good. Pound 6 months. Joseph about 2 years. Okay, very good. Sure, 3 years. Olympic trade option. Okay, very good. A lot of I lost a lot for scalping last week. Yes, Pawan, that's why I'm telling that will not go for scalping anymore, because I understand that. That's why I will send only the pending order, because everyone is not ready for it. We are not trading 1 or 2 trader. We are mixing new and old traders. So Shahid Nazir, approximately 1 year. Okay, so I see that very good experience. 3 months. Forex. Okay, for those who have, let's say, Forex box 3 months. Okay, let's example Forex box. you are very new to trading, okay, and very important that you understand how to place an order. See, new traders tend to make especially some very silly mistakes that I made a lot, especially just by when I'm placing the order, instead of buy limit I put a buy stop and I lost a lot of money. I put a wrong stop loss place. Okay, so you need to be very careful. Okay, Leticia, new to trading. I have been trying to learn on my own for few months, been losing money. Okay, Leticia, you are in the right place. Definitely you will be learning. The first thing you need to do is learn proper risk management. Repeat this video after finishing. Go to the website, find out the lot size. Okay, how to calculate the lot size and trade with us. Okay, risk management is the key in understanding trade. So it's very important that we all understand it. Everyone lose money as a trader. It's a way of trading. It's nothing to be ashamed of, nothing to be worried of, nothing to be fearful. Okay, because we are taught as a child, in our culture everywhere, we feel shame when we lose something, when we defeat in something. But trading is opposite. You see that, believe me, if I want you to make you profitable, I can guarantee I can make you profitable. But what will happen that it will come losing and winning trade together. Okay, no, the people who says 100% winning rate, they are a scammer. Okay, what they will do, I will show you. Let's say I can give you 100% winning rate, but still you will lose money. Let me show you what will happen if I give you 100% winning rate in a trade. See, let's say, it's very important that you understand it. This is the real thing. I can't share during live streaming because you came to the VIP team. That's why I'm sharing. See, let's say if I take this trade, okay, let me replay the chart. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, if I take this trade and if I send you a trade signal like this, let's say short, okay, giving you this much stop loss and this much profit target. Let's say here how many stop loss pip. Okay, stop loss pip is 92 pip. Okay, take profit target is 15 pip. Listen carefully. I gave you stop loss pip 92 pip. I gave you take profit target 15 pip. Now what will happen if the trade goes wrong? It will never hit your stop loss. Okay, it will just go on and it will blow your account. Okay, now what will happen? The person who sent the trade signal, he will say that, okay, I send you trade signal, it didn't hit your stop loss, then why you blown out? You didn't manage your risk. But ultimately what he does, he gave you a big stop loss target so that it will ultimately blow your account, but it will not hit your stop loss and you will gain very little. And this way I can if you write down on the chat section, if you want this kind of trade, we can run for a week as an experiment. I can give you 100 trade that will not hit you to stop loss, but either you lose money or you will blow your account. So this is very important that I don't want this to happen. I'm a real trader, I'm not a scammer. So what I do, I keep a narrow stop loss with a big profit target. So what happened, one trade, let's say 10 pip stop loss, I target 40 pip for example. Okay, so one trade hit stop loss, you lose 10 pip, but the next one, the same 10 pip, say as an example 10 pip stop loss, I gave you again 40 pip target. But if this one win, then how much you win? You win 40 pip, right? How much you lose? You lose 10 pip, still you 30 pip profit. Okay, if next one also you lose, still you are 20 pip profit. Even next one you lose, you still 10 pip profit. And that's how to become profitable. But if I send you trade signal with a big stop loss gap, smaller profit, then every time, okay, the price will go up, you start to go in minus and minus and minus, but your stop loss will not hit. But if you go to the profit target, is after a small profit you will be closed. So tell me in the chat section, do you guys need this kind of trade signal or you want to be really profitable? Let me know in the chat section so I know that everyone is getting me. Okay, so that I can proceed further. I know that there is a time gap. So far this is very, very important. Now let's talk about the next week. In the meantime, you guys write down here about what I said so far. Next week, from next week, so we finalize that we will be sending trade only on London and Asian session. We finalize that I will send only the pending order. We finalize that until I update, the pending order will be as it is, and you must manage your risk. You will be responsible for managing the risk. Okay, so okay, very good. Forex box. No, that's real answer. Okay, only like 2 months starting to earn little bit wrong with strategy and discipline. Okay, no problem, Alicia. It's okay. Okay, we all have these things and we all learning. 16 sir, don't you think it's very risky to hold trade during the high impact news? Okay, 16, very good question. See, yesterday, do you remember the last 2 weeks what happened on euro dollar? I sent the trade and exactly the trade started to move from there. Let me give you this example and why I close the trade early. I will be fully honest with you. We could make a big profit on this one, and next time we will do that. But this time I will tell you why I closed this profit. That's why today I urgently call for you. See, you saw the analysis. I knew that. See, when the price was where Gbp USD euro dollar did the same. Okay, I posted analysis when, let me give you this this one here. Okay, see, when this candle was forming, I know that this is going to be a false breakout. I was almost 90% sure from my experience. Okay, now during high impact news release, trading is risky in two situations. One situation, mainly if you do not put proper stop loss with a proper risk management. Okay, secondly, if you scalping or if you are trading in 5 minutes, then it is risky to trade during the high impact news release. But if you are doing the way we are trading on the 4-hour time frame, it is most of the time profitable to trade in high impact news release. Why? See, after this candle formed the news release, right? Look at what happened in the news release. You see, this is what happened. You have a volatility in the market, and our stop loss was here. Okay, our stop loss was here, I think, over here. Okay, so what happened during the news release then? If trade goes in your direction, you will get a big profit in the news release. If trade goes in the wrong direction, you lose the trade. But that's why you need to make a proper risk management. Now, can you guarantee that you will win a trade even when there is a not news release? Definitely you cannot guarantee. In other words, it could be more dangerous than when there is no volatility in the market, because when there is no volatility in the market will go in a sideways. Let me show you example. Okay, I tell this from experience. See what happened the last day of trading week. You see this one. See clearly. This is what happened last day. There is no volatility due to the holiday. You see every candle going in a sideways. You see, if you trade this market here, there is nothing but losing because there is no volatility in the market. But when there is a news release, there is volatility. But if you are scalping, if you are trading in 5 minutes, it could be dangerous, because if you don't put stop loss, if you don't do proper risk management, because in 5 minutes chart, the price will do like this. Okay. But in the 4-hour chart, it might be a nice bearish engulfer you will get to trade because there is volatility. And I only closed, yes, one very important question, Mixchi, is NFP. Okay, when there is NFP, definitely good idea to close the trade. But other news release could be in your advantage. That's why, let's say in a news release you trade from here, you stop loss here, and you take 1, 2, 3 risks to reward. If this level is broken during the news release, highly likely that it will reverse. But if this level retains, then you highly likely that it will break out and you will get a good trade on it. So that is the thing that 16. Let me know what's you understood this or no. Let me know, please. This is the for news release, and that's why during the high impact news release, if it is not a NFP, if NFP, I'll tell you to close most of the time I say, but if not NFP, sometime because of the news release I trade, because I know that my stop loss in a place where it is highly likely that it will not hit. If it hits, okay, but if it doesn't hit, we can get a good trade. And see, risky means 16, very very important. You need to understand that all successful trader have more losing trade than winning trade. You need to rewire your brain. You need to pin it in your brain. If you want to win all the trade, I can give you written guarantee. After going from Forex Wizard Trading Academy, go to anywhere in the world, you will never ever be profitable. Ultimately, after 3-4 years, either you will quit or you will realize that it is not possible to make all the time winning trade. Only possible to make is small lose, big profit, so that even if you lose more trades, you still become profitable. See, the only way, let me show you some trade that I took. I know, see, this kind of trade, say for example this kind of trade, when you have a narrow stop loss gap, let's say this trade you short from here, or let's say this trade, okay, I can pick this kind of trade. Let's say you short from this point, your stop loss is narrow here, okay, stop loss is here. Your profit target is, let's say, how much profit target you can make? You can make 1 to 15 profit target, okay. So when you hold one trade like that, then traders do like this. They normally little, let's say they risk here $100 for example, but they gain here how many? $1,200, okay, $1,200 they gain from here. Now what they do, next trade they invest $100 from here and they hit a stop loss. Next trade they invest $100 from here, then hit stop loss. And next trade they invest again $100, they hit a stop loss. They hit 3 stop loss, but it's still their $900 profit. And next trade they hit a stop loss, they still $800 profit, okay. And next one trade they get again 1,000. And now their profit is 700 plus 1,000, 1,700. Everyone can understand it. So what they have win only 2 trade, they hit maybe 5 trade stop loss, but still they are in profitable. And you need to give me this chance to give you this. You need to give me option so that you can become profitable. Now if you close the trade early, if I give you a big profit target, let's say even 1, 2, 3, okay, one time risk, that means let's say $100 risk, $300 profit target, okay. Now if you by yourself close the trade at 100 or 200 profit, then ultimately if I use this strategy, then I will have maybe a couple of losing trade, but because you didn't take the full advantage of it, you will be in loss, and you started to think that, okay, I'm losing money. In that case, let me know. Now that's why I called all of you. Let me know. I can change my strategy to give you maybe 1-to-1 risk to reward. In that case, you will have few stop loss hit, more winning trade, okay. Let me know. I can modify I have a lot of strategies, okay. I can give you trade signal with a bit bigger stop loss and almost same profit target or bit less profit target, bigger stop loss. So you will not hit stop loss, but you will have more winning trade. So let me know in this point, every one of you, write down in the chat section that do you want smaller stop loss, bigger profit target? In that case, you will have a few losing trade, like couple of losing trade, but few winning trade, but more profit, small loss. Or do you want equal risk, equal profit target? You will have very few losing trade and you will have more winning trade, but your account will be less profitable than the first strategy. Comment in these 2 strategy. If you don't understand, also let me know. I will explain again. Let me clarify again these 2 points. Let me know. One strategy is you will have a smaller risk, bigger profit target. Another strategy is you will have equal loss, equal profit target, equal risk, equal profit target. This is option A, this is option B. Now in option A, you may have couple of losing trades, few winning trades. In option B, you may have few losing trade, like less losing trade, more winning trades. Okay, so let me know which one you want. Okay, at least 1, 2, 3, small loss, big profit. Okay, very good. Yes, this is the traders do. Okay, now 1 to 2 or more. Okay, Shade Nazir. Okay, I think that we should be aiming high risk reward ratio. Yeah, very good 16. It's a very good point. So Pawin, but may I know what is the longest trade that you hold until TPE? I have taken 1 to 15. Okay, sometime I have taken 1 to 15, 1 to 10 also. I took many trade. I still can remember all these trade. I will show you, just finishing this here. I can quickly take you there. I will show you what trades I took. Small stop loss and more profit. Okay, now this is 1 to 5. Okay, very good. Pawin, I'm okay with 1 to 1, 1 to 2. Okay, Joseph, option A. Letitia, option A. Faiz, I agree with all. Okay, very good. I'm really happy that you guys really understood it. So we aim for a big profit. See, I told you I have a family commitment. I have to go soon, so let me just pick the phone. Sorry about that, because it's weekend. Hello. Okay, very good. Okay, আমি লাইভ স্ট্রিমিং আছি, তাহলে ঠিক আছে, আমি 10 মিনিট পর শেষ করব। Okay, very good. I still have 15 minutes. My wife and child, they're crazy now. Okay, so 1 to 10, 1 to 15 with tight stop loss. Okay, 16, 1 to 10 may be difficult for some. I know that will be difficult for some. I know it's not easy. If you keep 1 to 10, 1 to 15 profit target, you have to take a lot of losing. It's emotionally very disturbing. Okay, everyone can't take it. So let's be optimized. Okay, let's first start with 1 to 3, 1 to 2, and 1 to 5. Okay, so either I will give at least 1:3. Okay, 1:5. In worst case scenario, 1:2, and I will not give you less than this. Okay, this is the first condition they will, and I can guarantee you will never be losing money. Never. If you lose money with this strategy, you can leave my channel. I can guarantee, as long as you don't close the trade before they get hit your profit target. And don't be upset about losing trades. Some trade will come as a losing. Let it go. Manage risk. This is the way market behaves. Sometimes nothing works. Okay, nothing works because big boys, they do stop loss hunting. Nothing will work, either technical, fundamental. That's why you need to manage risk. No one can make that market open. So that's why. But when we will win, the trade will go in the direction, will make a big win. See the Gbpusd, you saw that the analysis that I have given last day during the news release. See, if when euro dollar that we took, we closed early. See, why did I tell you to close the trade here? Because I was a bit under pressure that, okay, I know that this trade will go down, but if it hits stop loss, you guys will lose money maybe. Now we have a good understanding. Now you understood that, okay, boss know that we'll take a big profit. Boss told us to hold, we will hold. If hit stop loss, we are all right. But in most cases, we will make money. Okay, you will see. I'm telling you from long experience, and I can take a big trades also. Okay, if you guys stay strong in your mind. For those who join later in this VIP session, please review the video. After that, I will make it you can use. I will give you the link in Gbpusd channel. Review the video couple of times, see what we are agreed with. It's very important, this video, for all the VIP members. Yes, CryptoXT, that's true. If you trade 1 to 10, 0.25% risk, absolutely good strategy. That's what I do. That's a very good. If you can continue it, you can become a profitable professional trader from day one. Okay, just this is the strategy. 1 to 10, 1 to with tight stop loss. Mr. Dalu, very good. I'm really happy that you guys and girls are really passionate about this. And okay, another important thing is, say, during the live stream, when I do YouTube live stream from now on, I will hide the Telegram channel in my another screen, and I might send you some trade signal silently that I may not give it to the free for the people, okay, because you are VIP members. So keep in mind, try to join live stream every day on YouTube as much as you can, because it's a free live streaming, everyone will be there. But any update in our own trade during this time, I will keep the Telegram separate and I will keep you update. So when I send you an update on Telegram, let's say it is live stream going on, and see this is Telegram channel, right? But I will not put this in this screen. I will put in another monitor, so no one will see. If I give you any update, okay, do not share in the message, okay? Do not share anything, any information about in this chat area, because when I'm doing live streaming, you VIP members are there, free people are there. So do not share with other what I told you in the, like, any trade signal I gave you or anything. If you have any specific question, ask in the VIP chat or after the streaming. So this is important, so that the people who are watching free, they should not know what you getting as a special guest or a special VIP. So this is the thing. Now these are very important. Now who are in the VIP chat, I also consider you as a VIP member. Either you already expired from the program or you are there in a free offer. Sometime I will send some trade signal in VIP chat also. When I see also high probability trade, I will send it there. Okay. Another thing is, for those who joined for 1 month or 3 months subscription long ago, I'm extending some of your timing so that you can make some money. It's to help you as a trader, so you need to help yourself as well. So let me know if you have any question. Ask me. Now, one important thing, do you think that we should do it every weekend for some time only with the VIP member? Let me know in the chat section. Are you guys interested to review our trade, what happened last week? Maybe I will teach you some of my secret strategy, and I will upload some new strategy. I finished almost back testing some really incredible strategy that I will not release in the YouTube for free, because I can't give it for free. Those who are in the VIP member, I will upload on channel, and I will tell you to watch that. So these trades, maybe after I upload, I will do it like this live streaming, and I will explain this strategy, and this strategy will be incredibly powerful. Okay, we will use I was back testing for more than 8 months. I hope almost finalize this strategy, and I'm taking trade on it. I'm sending trade to you, but I'm not explaining because I didn't upload on VIP channel yet. VIP channel already have some great strategy you have seen already, but some of them newly developed strategy that after I watching market over and over again, I got some really good strategy to share with you. So that I will every week would be good, or at least every 15 days. Okay, I'll try to do every week. Hopefully I will do it. So let me know, is Sunday better for you or Saturday, so that I have a bit idea on which day to focus on. Let me know in the chat section so that I know most of you which day are interested. I saw some all of you now watching me have given comment on the chat area. If anyone is still just watching, didn't write anything, please let me know that, so that I know that who is still didn't. Yes, interested to weekend. Okay, very good. So let's for now keep it on Saturday based on a pool. We'll change it. Sometime I will send a pool. Bumia, Saturday. Okay, very good. Yes to weekend session. Very good. Okay, very good. Okay, so I saw good, very good. Let me quickly tell you. So Gbpusd, maybe we can find a trade, very good trade on first day or second day. My focus on next week on Gbpusd. You see, this is one strategy that I was talking about. I will release it soon. And this strategy, what I will do after I release on a web channel, I will make a session with you and I explain. Now from now on, any new strategy, I will be on live with you and I will explain one by one, and I will do back testing with you in the live streaming so that you guys can grab it. Okay, so now, very good. Scammers on the chat, please be aware. Okay, I understand, no problem. They cannot do anything scammer. Just make sure that you are not giving any card information to anyone. Any sales happen in through my website, I never ask anyone to give me anything, so be aware of it. Don't give anyone. That's it. No one can do anything. Okay, so you just be aware of your yes, good for previous trade. Very good. Saturday, Mr. Dalu, can you do live webinar during London session? That's what I do. I do live streaming every during the before London and before New York session, during the London session, every day I do live streaming. You subscribe to my channel, press bell button, you will get it. For some pairs I have high PB spread like 10. Oh my god, do I enter high spread trade by adjusting signals as well? Okay, Forex box, why do you have that? What's your brokerage? You can use my brokerage. You can find a link maybe in my description in the video of my YouTube. They have a very good spread. You know, my spread is in euro dollar 0 pip, in Gbpusd 0.1 pip, like that or less. So make sure you use a good broker. If you want to use my broker, it's free. I have I have nothing to do. If you want to use your broker, welcome. But I'm saying that if you have a high spread, because I don't want to gain anything from it, I want to give you education. That's it. You can use that link. They will give you 20% trade discount if you use that. If you don't want to, completely fine, but use a broker that is regulated and have a good spread. We made good money USD Mexican exotic pairs. Yes, exotic pairs, sometime I will give you trade. In that case, I will give you a big stop loss gap, so that in case of anything, you not hit a stop loss. Pound is very positive, very good. Crypto exchange broker. Okay, yeah, that's a good idea. Change broker, because high spread is very important. Okay, let me answer your question anyway. I forgot you. I didn't answer your question. Should you put a big? Yes. First thing, if you have a very big spread in your account, try to avoid taking this trade. Okay. If you all the time have that big spread, that means this broker has a truly problem. Is not regulated. And if you trade in this broker, you will never make money. Spread is very important. Okay, so if it happens for certain pairs is okay, that's okay. But if it happens in all pairs or most of the time, I would suggest you to change the broker immediately. Otherwise, you will not be profitable. And if you have that much big spread, don't take that trade. Okay, even if you take, you need a big stop loss gap. If I give you 20 pip stop loss gap, if you have that much of spread, it will be around 40 pip stop loss. Okay, and pending order may not hit because it will not count. So it's very important that you have a broker that have a good spread. Okay, and you choose an account like a raw spread account, so you have a less you have a commission, but you'll have a less spread. Even in a standard account, you should not have that much spread. Okay, IC market. Okay, very good. Pound, I use a very good IC market, also good. Okay, I use Blueberry market, and you can check out the link in the description of this video. They are also very good. They are both regulated, both Australian broker. IC Market also very good. They are also Australian broker. Before I used them, but now I use Blueberry Market. So usually for AUD and NZD pairs, yeah, that's good, true. NZD pairs normally have a high spread, but shouldn't be that much. Okay, AUD NZD, my broker give me around less than 1 pip spread. Okay, so make sure you have the right broker. NZD pairs sometimes spread widens. Okay, NZD pairs, be aware, don't take this kind of trade. What size is big spread, sir? Okay, what size is big spread size is a good question. So if you have a spread, let's say euro dollar more than 1 pip or more than 2 pip, even more than 1 pip, euro USD is a big spread. If you have a Gbpusd more than 2 pip or 1 pip is a big spread. Okay, like this. So it varies what currency pairs you are trading. More than 2 pips spread is, yeah, absolutely, more than 2 pips spread is big. Even more 2 pips spread also big for the good pairs. Okay, should have a, say, euro dollar I trade with 0 pip or a bit more than 0 pip if there is any volatility. So that's the thing. Shahid, FP market. Okay, whatever you are using, make sure it's regulated. And okay, now I have to go, but let me quickly explain. So Gbpusd, we might have a good trade on this one. Okay, what it could do, it could go up and from here likely to drop. So this is Gbpusd. Quickly give you an idea what we may have on the new trading week. Dollar yen also may have a good trade. So what I will do, whatever trading opportunity I have, I will not send any trade in Asian session. I will send a specific time frame on the London session, and always keep eye on candle close timing. Okay, so 2 candle is very, very important. Keep eye on this 2 candle. My friend already came. So okay, eto amake 5 minute time do ashtesi. Okay. So I have to go, sorry about that. So we had a good session. Always keep in mind that before or after candle close up, before London session and during the New York session, these are the 2 timing I will send trade signals. Okay, hopefully you will do more of it. Next week we'll focus on learning. This week we focus on trade, and be consistent and be risk managed. The rest leave on me. See you. Okay, good timing, good job. Thank you for joining. See you tomorrow.